Top 10 remote jobs perfect for small-town life. What if I told you that your small-town zip code isn't holding you back, it's your secret weapon? Yep, while most folks are stuck in traffic, paying $8 for lattes and sharing their Wi-Fi with 14 other apartment units, you're sitting on something far more powerful: time, space, and peace. And let me tell you something, peace is profitable. Today, we're unlocking the top 10 remote jobs perfect for small-town life. But not the same tired list of freelance writing and customer service gigs. Nope. I'm talking about underground jobs that are ridiculously profitable, shockingly low competition, and tailor-made for small-town entrepreneurs who want to make big-town money from their front porch. So whether you're a retired teacher with a laptop, a stay-at-home parent with Wi-Fi, or a dreamer stuck in a town with one blinking traffic light, this is your playbook. Every idea we're diving into is unique, scalable, and can be started with little to no startup cash. And the best part? These aren't side hustles, they're empire seeds. Let's get it. 1. Rural Virtual Assessor for AI Training Companies. Profit potential: $70,000, $120, 000 year startup cost, $0, $100. Barrier to entry: low moderate, forget mystery shopping. Imagine getting paid to help train AI models by assessing photos, sounds, or even rural infrastructure data. Big tech companies are desperate for rural data to make their AI more real-world. And guess what? You're living in the real world they need. Tasks: tag images, correct captions, log dialects, or assess satellite images of farms or roads. Best part? You can literally work in your slippers. Tools needed: laptop plus Wi-Fi. These companies are craving input from non-urban voices, so if you've ever felt invisible to Silicon Valley, congratulations, you just became their most valuable player. 2. Micro Apiary Content Creator, B-Influencer. Profit potential: $40,000, $250, 000 plus / year. Startup cost: $1,500 for bees and basic filming gear. Barrier to entry: moderate. Yeah, you heard me. Bees plus camera = bank. With the explosion of hash homesteading and hash bee talk, there's an entire niche exploding for bee content creators who also sell honey, wax crafts, and courses. Think TikToks of honey extraction, YouTube videos teaching backyard apiaries, a subscription box for seasonal honey. Once your content takes off, you monetize 6 ways from Sunday: YouTube ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, merch, and direct-to-consumer honey jars. Small towns are the ideal backdrop: quiet, authentic, and buzzing, literally, with brand potential. 3. Biohacking Product Tester and Reviewer. Profit potential: $60,000, $180, 000 plus / year. Startup cost: $300, $1,000 for sample products. Barrier to entry: low moderate. This one's funky but fire. Start a remote biohacking channel. Review blue light blockers, nootropics, wearable sleep trackers, red light therapy wands, you name it. Your small-town life becomes your experimental lab. You try the tech, document it, and build an audience of people chasing optimization. Companies will pay for honest reviews, sponsor content, and send free gear. Plus, you can flip into affiliate income and your own branded reviews site or best of newsletter. Pro tip: niche into biohacking for busy parents, rural folks, or even seniors. There's low competition and high engagement. 4. Satellite internet reseller for underserved areas. Profit potential: $50,000, $200, 000 year startup cost, $1,000, $5,000 for partnership licenses. Barrier to entry: moderate. Most small towns have garbage internet. What if you became the solution? Companies like Starlink and other emerging providers are offering reseller partnerships, especially for rural areas. You can set up customers, handle local installs, offer monthly tech support at a profit, even rent Wi-Fi hubs for events. As a local, you're already trusted. Combine this with a slick website and suddenly, you're the go-to ISP wizard of your region. Bonus: offer your own add-on services like remote IT setup, router sales, and speed optimization packages. 5. Hyper-niche digital historian, story archivist. Profit potential: $40,000, $90, 000 plus / year. Startup cost: $0, $300 for software and mics. Barrier to entry: low. Turn your small town's untold stories into a business. How? Interview locals, collect old photos, dig into archives, then package these as podcasts, ebooks, documentaries, or online museums. Sell: digital downloads, Patreon memberships for ongoing story drops, licensing to schools or local media, genealogy research packages. People are obsessed with ancestry and regional storytelling. and small-town narratives, pure gold. Think of it as digital tourism. What sounds boring to the locals could be fascinating to the world. Hey, loving these ideas so far? Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. We've got blueprints, templates, and even mentorship, if you're really ready to build that small-town dynasty. Back to the list. 6. Remote Artisan NFT plus AI Craft Shop Profit Potential. $60,000, $150, 000 year startup cost, $500, $2,000 for AI tools plus website barrier to entry, moderate high. This one's for the makers and digital creatives. Combine AI-generated art, 3D printed designs, hand-touched finishes, local storytelling, then mint them as NFTs or sell on rare craft platforms like Maker's Place and ObjCat. Imagine an NFT titled Sunset over Cedar Ridge tied to a physical wood carving you mail to the buyer. You're bridging the digital and tangible, and customers love that combo. Add in short documentaries about your town, or limited edition collections tied to seasons or local legends, and you've got yourself a hybrid business model with serious collector appeal. 7. Rural pet telehealth consultant with AI vet tools. Profit potential, $50,000, $110, 000 year startup. Cost, $1,000 for training and gear barrier to entry, moderate, but worth it. People will pay real money to not drive 2 hours to the vet. Thanks to new AI-driven tools, you can offer pet triage, wellness checks, behavior consults, and referral help from home. Partner with local vets or become a remote middleman for larger platforms. Add-on options, subscription wellness plans, emergency pet hotline access, product bundles, food, supplements, flea meds. You don't need to be a vet, just get trained and certified in basic remote care, and you're in. 8. Micro-fulfillment center operator for Etsy e-com stores. Profit potential, $80,000, $250, 000 plus / year, startup cost, $5, 000 plus, can scale up. Barrier to entry, high, but high reward. Here's where small-town space pays big. You can run a micro-fulfillment center for online sellers who live in apartments or cities. Handle inventory, packing, shipping, even returns. Bonus, focus on eco-brands, Christian-based products, or rural-themed merch. Package it all with love and speed and charge a monthly premium. Build once, scale forever. Eventually franchise your model or teach others to replicate it under your brand. 9. Ethical surveillance consultant for small businesses. Profit potential, $60,000, $100, 000 year startup cost, $1,500 for gear. Barrier to entry, moderate. This isn't about being nosy, it's about loss prevention. Small-town businesses still deal with theft, fraud, and security gaps. You can audit their cameras, recommend ethical tech setups, offer virtual monitoring subscriptions, train staff on legal, low-cost protection, market yourself as the security shepherd of Main Street, charge a retainer, install affordable gear, and keep those local businesses secure. 10. Remote gospel voiceover artist for Christian media. Profit potential, $30,000, $90, 000 year startup cost, $500 for mic and studio setup. Barrier to entry, low. If you've got a smooth, rich, or soulful voice and you're grounded in the Word, you can build a remote biz doing audiobook narration, devotional voiceovers, explainer videos for Christian entrepreneurs, podcast intros and outros. Small-town life gives you that quiet environment to record clean audio without needing expensive studios. Market yourself to churches, Christian creators, and even meditation apps. Once you're booked out, teach others, sell templates, or launch a voice talent agency. Outrow, approx. 250 words. And there you have it, 10 rare, insanely profitable remote jobs perfect for small-town life. No excuses, no waiting on the economy, just you, your ideas, your grit, and a little bit of Wi-Fi. These aren't pipe dreams, these are blueprint businesses that are already making people rich quietly, and you've got the perfect setup to step into any one of them. Pick one, master it, then multiply. Let me know in the comments which idea hit you hardest. And if you're already working on something cool in your small town, drop your story. I want to shout you out in a future video. And as always, thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, Be humble and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.